tell us how you started your quest. And I love that you call the book In Quest of the Historical Adam, because this feels like a very
Yeah.
personal journey for you that
Oh my.
involves some challenges and maybe some just fears at times and wrestling with the
Yeah.
evidence. You've even been public on some of you. So it really made this
Yeah.
journey interesting to watch you process this. But tell
Yeah.
us how you start your quest logically.
It really has been a struggle for me personally as I've wrestled deeply and honestly with this question. And I begin my quest of the historical Adam with an analysis of what our biblical commitments are as Bible believing Christians. What does the Bible commit us to about the historical Adam? And I think this is very important, Sean, because it avoids the error of concordism. Concordism is trying to read modern science into the Bible, trying to read it in between the lines. And that distorts the teaching of the Bible. It makes every generation able to read their contemporary science back into these narratives. And so I begin by just bracketing science altogether, just laying it aside and saying, let's look at these narratives and ask ourselves, how would they have been understood by the author and audience at the time that they were written? And it's only after trying to determine what our biblical commitments are that I then turn to the question, all right, are those biblical commitments compatible with the deliverances of modern science, history, and linguistics?